What is shadowing, and why does it work? Hello everyone, and welcome back to SpeakAura. I'm so happy you're here today because we're going to talk about one of the most powerful techniques to improve your English naturally. Today's topic is, what is shadowing, and why does it work? If you've ever wondered why some people sound so natural in English, even if they don't live in an English-speaking country, this video is for you. So grab your notebook if you have one, relax, and let's learn together. Let's start with a simple question. What does the word shadow mean? A shadow is something that follows you everywhere. In English learning, shadowing means following a speaker's voice almost immediately after they speak. You don't wait until the sentence finishes. Oh, you don't translate. You simply listen and repeat at almost the same time. Imagine you're listening to someone say, "Good morning. How are you today?" Instead of pausing and thinking about every word, you immediately repeat, "Good morning. How are you today?" You try to copy everything. The pronunciation, the rhythm, the speed, the stress, and the intonation. You're basically becoming the speaker's shadow. That's why it's called shadowing. Many people study English for years. They memorize vocabulary. They learn grammar. They do exercises. But when it's time to speak, they freeze. Why? Because speaking is a skill. Reading is a skill. Writing is a skill. Listening is a skill. And speaking requires practice with your mouth, your ears, and your brain working together. Shadowing trains all of these at the same time. Instead of only learning English, you're actually using English. Benefit number 1. Better pronunciation. This is probably the biggest advantage. When you shadow native speakers, your brain starts noticing sounds that you never paid attention to before. For example, many learners pronounce every word separately, but native speakers connect words. Instead of saying, "What are you doing?" they often say, "What are you doing?" Or instead of, "Did you eat?" they might say, "Did you eat?" Shadowing helps your ears recognize these natural patterns. Little by little, your pronunciation becomes smoother. Not because you're forcing it, but because your brain gets used to hearing and copying real English. Benefit number 2. Better listening. Have you ever listened to English and thought, "They're speaking too fast"? The truth is, most of the time, they're not speaking incredibly fast. They're just connecting words naturally. The more you shadow, the more familiar these sounds become. After a few weeks, you'll notice something amazing. You'll understand conversations that used to sound impossible. Benefit number 3. More confidence. Many students know English, but they don't trust themselves. Before speaking, they think, "Is this correct? What if I make a mistake? Maybe I shouldn't say anything." Shadowing helps remove this fear, because your mouth starts producing English automatically. Instead of creating every sentence from zero, your brain remembers patterns. This makes speaking much easier. Benefit number 4. Better fluency. Fluency doesn't mean speaking perfectly. Fluency means speaking smoothly, without stopping every 2 seconds. Shadowing trains your brain to process English faster. That's why many interpreters and language learners use this technique every day. Who should use shadowing? Honestly, everyone. If you're a beginner, Start with very short sentences. If you're intermediate, use podcasts, YouTube videos, or TV shows. If you're advanced, challenge yourself with interviews, documentaries, and speeches. The important thing isn't the level. It's choosing audio that you can mostly understand. How to practice shadowing. Here's a simple routine. Step 1. Choose an audio that's between 30 seconds and 1 minute. Don't start with long videos. Keep it short. Step 2. Listen once without repeating. Just focus on understanding. Ask yourself, what's happening? What's the topic? Step 3. Play it again. This time, repeat immediately after the speaker. Don't stop because of mistakes. Keep going. Step 4. Repeat the same audio 3 to 5 times. Yes, the same audio. Repetition is where the magic happens. Step 5. Record yourself. Then compare your pronunciation with the original. Don't compare yourself to criticize yourself. Compare yourself to improve. Listen for pronunciation, rhythm, stress, and confidence. I have a small challenge. Today, find a 1-minute English video. Practice shadowing for 10 minutes. Tomorrow, do the same video again. Keep repeating it for 1 week. Then come back and tell me, did your pronunciation improve? Did listening become easier? I would love to know. Remember this. Learning English isn't about knowing the most words. It's about training your brain to use the language naturally. Shadowing is one of the easiest and most effective ways to build pronunciation, listening skills, fluency, and confidence, all at the same time. So don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes mean you're learning. Keep listening. Keep repeating. Keep improving. Thank you so much for watching today's episode of SpeakAura. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson. And before you leave, answer this question in the comments. Have you ever tried shadowing before? Or will today be your first day? I'll see you in the next episode. Keep learning. Keep speaking. Keep growing. Bye.